Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to cut out an image in Canva. Well, basically, we don't have here pen tool or lasso tool like the Photoshop to cut out an image. But we have here two ways on how we can cut out an image. So first one here, make sure to click on the image. And then make sure to detach this from background. So right click on this image first and need to make sure that it is not set to background. So just click on detach image from background. Now what you're going to do here, just click on edit photo, and then we're going to click on this crop right here at the top. And basically here we can cut the image. So you can just hold on the edge of this box and basically you can drag it and just cut all the background right here. So once you've done, click on this done button. But as you can see, it didn't remove all your backgrounds. So the second way here is by using background remover. So we're going to click on again this edit photo option at the top left of your screen and just click on this BG remover or background remover. So you just need to wait until your background is removed. And here is the result. We have just cut out an image and removed the background. So that's it. That's how you basically cut out an image in Canva. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.